Christelle, I'm French and I want to share with you my trip to Seville, a city in Andalusia in the south of Spain. So this video is about day 8 of the trip, which is Saturday the 12th of November 2022. This day is the last day of my trip to Seville. That means that in the morning I am leaving the hotel definitely and I am taking all my bags with me. So I'm going to try to not walk too much this day. My plane back to France is only at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, so I don't want to go directly to the airport. So first, I want to cross the city center again, going towards the south, towards Torre del Oro. Then, obviously, I'm going to take some photos at Torre del Oro, and then I'm going to relax near the river while walking back up towards the north in order to go to the bus station. By the way, as a side note, I'm not actually sure that the river I have seen over the past few days was the Guadalquivir river. I think it was just a very large canal. If you look on the map, the Guadalquivir river seems to be the one on the left, and I've only seen uncrossed the one that's on the right. Then I will take a bus to go to the airport and go back to France. Good morning. Alright, so this is a 2 bags combo. Representing Kesha right now, it seems. Kesha in the front, Kesha in the back. Alright. So first I'm crossing one last time the beautiful city center of Seville. Okay, so I've got the food and now I'm walking down Calle Sierpes, heading toward the Ayuntamiento and the cathedral. Plaza de San Francisco, the back of the Ayuntamiento. I'm going this way to walk on Plaza Nueva. This beautiful building again. So the Ayuntamiento and Plaza Nueva, and we are taking away the bookshops, bookstands, bookstalls. I haven't seen it without anything on it. So yeah, but it's all locked. So that's Plaza Nueva. So I'm going towards the cathedral now. And you can see the Giralda from here already. And cathedral. Look at this dude. Just so much stuff happening at all times. Again. I'm way too warm. I need to take a photo. Christmas tree. It's just so warm today. It's supposed to be 24 max or 25. And like it's only 11 or something, so it's not at its max right now. I'm pretty sure it's already like 24, 25. Now I'm just going to relax around the Torre del Oro. The horses, and I can see Torre del Oro, so I'm going this way. Torre del Oro. So the plan is just basically to take a few photos there and then to walk along the river up to Plaza de Armas. So I've just finished taking photos with the Bilora Bella 66. I wasn't sure if there were 12 or 16 photos in the roll. I had a doubt, but it's 12, so yeah. There's something happening in the water. Oh, it looks like there is a competition. This guy knows how to play bass. Alright, lunchtime. It's noon and something, and the bus station is really just nearby, a little bit this way, so I have all the time in the world. I had no idea what was inside. I think it's tuna and tomato. What the fuck? I'm not sure what the hell is happening. I need to go. And now it's time to go back to France. Estación de autobuses, Plaza de Armas. Toro Arena. Alright, perfect timing.
Señoras y señores, Madame, Monsieur.
So that's the end of day 8, and that's also the end of my trip to Sevilla. If you have watched all the videos that I made about my trip to Sevilla, I really hope that you enjoyed it. I was there in November 2022 and the weather was really nice, nearly too warm actually. If you have the opportunity, I really recommend that you visit this city. It's really pleasant to walk there, to see the beautiful architecture, obviously to try the food, and to see all the nice museums and art galleries that there are in Seville. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see all the upcoming videos. And I will see you soon for more adventures in France and in other countries. Bye!